I remember the first incident when we went to Nargol, where I had opened the Sahasrara. The first person who got realization was a Gujarati and a jeweler. Immediately, all the other, there were hardly about 35 people. They started saying that, of course, he's a rich man, he's a jeweler, so mother has given him realization. I think that the first time and last time I really got angry. I started shouting at them. You're good for nothing, useless people, you can never take to divinity, and I had really thought that stop it now. When I have to take another life, another time, where people will understand what is Sahaja Yoga. But after that, suddenly people started feeling the cool breeze in their hands. Immediately. After my shouting, imagine. And they said, Mother, it's working. It's working in us. It's working out of us. Thus we got 12 people. And one lady whom I had given before also, she was the 14th. Thus, first we had only these 14 Sahaja Yogas, for whom it was something out of the blue. They were all flabbergasted. They didn't know what it was. And then, surprisingly, in one of our programs, a lady who was possessed by some Brahmin came and started saying, Jagadamba, Jagadamba. They couldn't understand. I never told them what I was, never. I've never told otherwise also. So then she recited a poem from Saundarya Lahari in Sanskrit language, and she was just a maid servant and in a man's voice. So everybody was shocked that the bhoots should say all these things. And then she went away. After that, these people started probing into it. And they wanted to have my puja first time in my house itself. Still, people were not very sure they were doing the right thing. Even the Brahmins they called, they said this Saptasadi is a very difficult puja and something will happen to us. But after the puja they said nothing happened. We are so much better. They all felt the cool breeze. And the entire atmosphere changed. They started understanding that Sahaja Yoga is the Yuga Dharma, is the one of this Yuga, this Kali Yuga. So the Sahaja Dharma became the Dharma of this Yuga. This Yuga is very difficult, no doubt. But in difficulties only we become intense seekers. And that's what happened with all of you, that you found out that everywhere people were following, whatever they were following, they were not reaching any point. Like a cocoon, they are hitting their head here and there. They got their realizations so quickly. And when they told me how they were seeking, what was happening to them, I was amazed. How this seeking was working within them and pushed them towards Sahaja Yoga. Also, in the meanwhile, I must say, so many got lost into the clutches of false gurus. Despite that, today we have so many Sahajogis. You are just representing your country, but there are many more in your countries. Even in India, we have many more. You are just here come to represent them. So, multiple of this number, I do not know how many would be there. So many ask me how many Sahajogis there are. I said, I don't know. So you don't know? I said, no. We have never kept any record. So they can't understand. I said, we have no office, no record. I have no secretary. I don't know how to type. I don't know how to write even my check. They can't understand person like me existing in these modern times. But everything gets done somehow. Despite all my modern ignorance, everything gets absolutely done in the most perfect manner, like a remote control. Now this whole thing, I never said a word about it. I must tell you nothing. Never I gave any idea as to how it should be. I didn't even tell them how many we are expecting. But see how spontaneously everything has worked out. Because you all have commitment. And that commitment gives you all these organizing capacities. So many things you have seen get organized because also this Parama Chaitanya has come into Kruta Yuga where it is working it out, it's active. And this activity also is absolutely supportive to you.